Hi everyone and welcome to Lazy Answer Tips. I'm Alessia. Today I'm re-proposing to you a nice series of exercises done on the chair to mobilize your back. We had to change the intro unfortunately because some people didn't like it, but we didn't want you to be without these fab exercises. You can do it anytime, anywhere, even if you're at the office. So we're gonna work on the contractions and the release just like we do in contemporary dance. As I said, it's done on the chair. So if you're ready for this, find a space in your home or your office, grab a chair and let's mobilize the back.
Hello! Here we go, sitting on the chair. Legs slightly wide, and remember that line that goes from hips, knees and toes. Start with the lower part of your body and roll forward and engage your abs back. Keep rolling forward and back. Feel those seat bones on the chair and feel them rolling back and forth and back, and engage those abs when you come back and roll forward and roll back. Don't use the top part. Relax your shoulders and relax your chest. Don't engage your ribs. Roll forward, roll back, roll forward, roll back. Very natural. Keep breathing now. Use your chest coming forward. Forward, and all in. Big curve now, and chest out. Think of pushing these inside thighs and the outside of the thigh. A big nice line. And forward and roll in. Give it a nice massage as well. And push forward, chest out and in. Remember not to engage the ribs nice and relax. And in and back to position. Now, let's start again. Roll forward and back. Roll forward just with the lower part of your body, just lower abdominals. Roll forward and back. Roll forward and back. Roll forward and back. Sit bones, feel those sit bones, and remember the alignment of hips, knees and feet on the floor. And forward and back. Just the lower part. Nice massage. Now chest forward, big chest forward, big curve back. Chest forward like a line that keeps going beyond your boobies, and back and forward, chest back. Someone is punching you right in the middle of the chest, and forward and roll back. Big curved, big arch and big curve. Everything is engaged. And curve and arch and curve and arch and curve and back to natural position. Now side to side. Think of that line pulling up to the ceiling and back. Don't move anything else, just from the side of your rib, shoulder relax and back. Pull to the side and in. Pull to the side and in. Remember, we're just working on the top part now. Think of the hip going to the rib. Hip to rib. Now you want the hip to lift towards the rib. And lift. Still arching. I know you might feel a bit funky, but that's okay. Now, Don't move anything else, just side to side. Open those ribs side to side. Open those ribs side to side. Don't move anything else. Don't move your hips. Now scrunch that hip towards your ribs and scrunch it. And scrunch it. And scrunch it. Yes, your bum lifts up. Nothing. And nothing else moves, just the ribs now. Alternate. Keep alternating. Just the ribs. Just the ribs. And now with the bum. Ribs and bum. Ribs and bum. Ribs and bum. I know it's a bit different. Now, side to side, nice and long. Move the ribs and the hips side to side. Mobilize the back from side to side once again and give it a shake. Slightly wider. Think of chest and rolling forward. Roll forward and curl back. Push your thighs away and roll forward. Push your thighs back. Roll forward. Big rolls and curl back. Roll forward. Curl from your abs. Now the other way. Curl and chest forward to the ceiling and curl. Don't move your shoulders down and curl. And arch, ribs relax, curl and arch. Again, the other way. And curl and contract back. And arch, contract back. And curl, keep breathing back. And curl back. Find the rhythm. The other way. And dive. And come up. And dive. Chest up. Think of that chest leading. And come up. And dive. And come back up. Whew. From side to side. And dive to one leg. Chest up, same thing. Dive, find that rolling dive down. Concentrate on the opposite leg that has to stay on the chair. And arch and curl and chest out and contract and arch out and contract and arch out and contract. Other side. Dive, chest out. Concentrate on the left side now. And arch up. And dive. Try to look at your belly. And up. And dive. And up. Other way. And chest out. Curl back. Chest out, curl back, chest out and curl back. Concentrate on the opposite leg and back to start. Interlock arms wherever it's comfortable. Same thing. Dive down, elbows and chest come up. Dive down. Elbows and chest come up. Feel that stretch. And down. Elbows leading with the chest. And dive. Chest up and stretch. Keep. And now the other way. And curl. And arch. And curl. Look at your belly when you do that. Concentrate on your arms as well. Elbows should open. Here, open. And curl. Other side. One side. Dive to your leg and up. Dive to your leg and up. Dive again. Both elbows up. Think there's someone down the back pulling you. Dive and arch back. And arch. Curl back. And arch. And curl back. And keep breathing. And curl. Concentrate on your lower abs. Contract. Pulling back. Other side. Dive. Look at your belly. And arch up. Look at the ceiling. And belly dive. And up. And belly dive. And up. And dive. And up. Other way and arch. And curl. And elbows back. And curl. Keep breathing out. And curl. And open and curl. And relax. And have a bit of a breathe, shake, reset. Now it gets a bit hard, especially when you're breathing. Have a bit of a moment. One hand on top of the other. Side to side. And back to side. And back. Side and back. Think of the ribs isolating. Isolate ribs. Isolate ribs. Side to side. Don't move your hips. Sit bones on the chair. Those don't move. Same position, we rotate from one side to the other. Imagine to be on tabletop. Switch hand and pull to the other side. Elbow leads the movement. And pull at the back. And try to move all the way to the back. And turn around. And breathe out. Isolate the movement. And the back. And rotate. And switch hands around the other way. And switch hands the other way. And around. Opposite way. Keep isolating. Now think figure of 8. Elbow pulls and back. Elbow pulls to the side and back. Elbow pulls and down. Isolate ribs around. Now switch to the back. Figure of 8. Move all the way around. Ribs leading. Elbow leading. Figure of 8. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Figure of 8 and back to the center. Knees together. Interlock fingers. Stretch arms to the side and chest out. And other side. Stretch those arms, chest out. Pull those arms back. And slide the arms down, chest out. Think chest to the ceiling. Other side. Chest to the ceiling. And other side. Slide through. Chest to the ceiling as much as possible. And stretch. Chest to the ceiling. And back. Slide through. Hands back, chest to the ceiling. Feel that nice stretch that you've got throughout the spine. Keep pushing. From there, all the arm goes at the back. Feel the stretch. Keep pushing and out. Other side. Open the arm. Think of reaching beyond the back, chest out. And come back in. Other side. Hands stretched. Hand reaches to the back. Keep pushing, chest out and back. Other side. And open, look back. Keep pushing the arm and back to the center. Big breath, chest out and breathe out. Chest out, open arms, shoulders down. Reach and relax down. One more. Happy. And we're done. Yay! Mwah! See you next time for more tips. Subscribe, leave a comment, and have fun!